Hello, I'm Princess Sally Acorn. We will learn about electronic media. Electronic media is media that uses electromechanical device to access the content, broadcast or storage media that take advantage of electronic technology. Let us discuss one by one. Television and radio, internet access, telephones, and CD-ROMs and DVDs. Let's start with the first feature. Television and radio. Can you believe that the first television started in early 1900s? You might have seen the old or vintage TV set that gives a grayscale picture. They can advertise like this, in old style. Old movies are very romantic, like Charlie Chaplin, in 1920s, old Disney cartoons, old sports program and many more. Later in the 50s, color TV has developed. Color TV has 3 colors, red, green and blue. Further, the technology has improved gradually. In 80s, additional device that lets you connect to TV. Such as video game system for old school purpose. A slot that lets you insert a video card to play. We can now display on TV that shows you ping pong game, Space Invaders, old Pac-Man and others. You can access with joystick controls. Nowadays, we use LCD and LED TVs, where technology has been modernized, more additional hardwares like high-performance game consoles, laptops, TV boxes, and others. You can now also have internet access on TV, like Fire TV Stick, developed by Amazon. You can also watch movies like Netflix app. On the other hand, radio, that lets you only hear audio, like music, news, discussions and many more. The knob that lets you change the frequency stations. The antenna on top of radio is made of metal that lets you catch various frequencies. Radio frequency ranges from 88 to 108 MHz. You can listen at any frequency, by the way. If you have differed with the television set, there is both audio and video configuration. In the next part, we'll tell you the rest of these. Like, comment, and subscribe now.